up guys, it's Forever Day here and I'm here today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. Now I know my hair looks a little messy right now, so definitely going to do a hair tutorial today. In today's video, I decided I wanted to go ahead and do some twists on my hair. I've been seeing a lot of passion twists on Instagram lately and I'm just like, I really wanted to do them. So I started twisting my hair and I'm like, my hair is really long already, so what if I do the twist on my own hair using my own hair? I need to do it with my hair when it's dry because once I do it when it's wet, it usually starts to shrink. So I'm gonna be taking this Shine and Jam because I wanted something that wasn't gonna revert my hair. I'm gonna use a comb and then also some hair clips and water. Wait, no, remember, we are not gonna be using water because we do not want our stuff to shrink, girl. No, okay? So I'm just gonna be parting the hair, just a section in the back. I used that mirror on the side of the bathroom to make sure that I had like a straight part. Now, if you typically don't kind of care about the back of your hair's parting, then by all means kind of part it any way that you want. And just worry about the parts in the front and make sure that those are neat. So I took like a fairly neat type of section, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put that jam like all around the root part just to make sure that it's not all, you know, like fuzzy or anything like that, and just to make sure that it's, you know, shiny, because this gel really does smooth and shine the hair. This is my first time using the Shine and Jam. I heard that it's best for when you're trying to braid the hair. I really wanted something that wasn't gonna revert my hair back to its natural type of curl, and so that the twist would shrink. So when I was using this, I was just making sure that it wasn't gonna revert my hair. I did start off with my hair. It wasn't blow dried, it was definitely just an old wash and go. When I had the Tangle Teaser brush, that's when I started brushing out each section, but definitely if you want, you can definitely blow dry the hair and do your twist that way, but I just didn't want to take the time getting the blow dryer and my hair was already dry, so I didn't want to wet it just to blow dry it. The twists are super easy. On each section of the twist, when it does feel a little dry, I do get some of that Shine and Jam and just put it on my fingers and kind of roll it around so that while I'm twisting it, it's getting on the hair. Definitely make sure to get it on the ends because the ends are usually like the driest part, so I make sure to coat the ends with the jam. And then comb it out if it does get kind of like a little nappy toward the end. I'm just going to follow that whole concept literally throughout the whole head. Now the ends are not too curly right now, but don't worry about that right now. We're going to go ahead and fix those at the end. So now what we're gonna do is fix the ends. What I'm gonna actually do to fix them is I'm going to take my wand curler and curl just the end so I can make like a curl at the end. Now this is definitely a natural hair protective style, so if you definitely want to skip this part, you definitely can. There are other alternatives to curling the hair, like using rollers or using like flexi rods if you want to do that, so you can avoid putting the heat on it. I'm choosing to do the curling one because it's a little bit faster. Definitely, if you put the roller sets in each section after each twist, by the time you're done, it definitely will have a curl to it. But I'm actually loving these twists. This is probably like my first time actually ever doing them this way. And then now for the edges. So I'm just going to be taking some of my gel and just creating some edges. As you can see, I have like a little top knot at the top. That's generally how I like to wear my hair if I have any type of braids that are kind of single like this. So here is the finished look. Definitely if you have like the little jewels that you can put on your hair, like the rings or the little clips, you can add those, but I didn't have any for this video. Alright you guys, we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys at my next upload. Bye!